Have you ever wondered about the secret? Teas hidden in the mountains of the east. Today, let's uncover the legend of Ginseng, the mysterious herb that has captivated the world for centuries. In the misty forest of Changbai Mountain, an ancient ritual unfolds. 自3世纪以来 mountain hunters have followed sacred steps to find this precious herb. When they spot a ginseng, they shout, with reverence tie red strings around its stem, and carefully dig it out, wrapping it in moss bark. This pulling the stick tradition shows how humans and nature live in harmony. But what makes ginseng so special? Science reveals its power lies in ginsenosides and polysaccharides. It boosts vital energy, strengthens the spleen, the lungs, quenches thirst, and sharpens the mind. Studies even show it enhances immune, making it a true king of herbs. To unlock its full potential, ancient wisdom meets modern science. The 9 steams, 9 salts method trial transforms fresh ginseng into red ginseng. The rule repeated steaming and sun drying it gains warmth and potency, embodying the philosophy of balance in Eastern medicine. Today, people worldwide enjoy ginseng as tea, capsules, or extracts. Sip the wisdom of the ages and feel the energy of the East. Ginseng isn't herb, it's a bridge between ancient tradition and modern wellness. So next time you seek vitality, remember the mountain hunter's quest and the centuries-old secrets of ginseng.